All right, if you're a student or a parent trying to shortlist the right engineering college for 2026, this one's for you. We're taking a close look at Saveetha Engineering College, TNEA Code 1216. And start, I want to show you 3 numbers that really tell a powerful story about this place.
First up, 12 crores. Now what's that about? Well, that's the amount of funded research this college has managed to get from top national agencies like DST, AICTE, and CSIR. That's a huge signal of a very strong research culture. Next, this number, over 600. This is the number of patents published by the people here, the faculty and the students. It really shows they're serious about innovation and creating new things.
And finally, the number 5. This one is really impressive. It represents 5 wins, back-to-back, at the Smart India Hackathon. You know, that's a massive national competition run by the Ministry of Education. Winning it 5 years straight? That speaks volumes about consistent excellence.
So, with an intro like that, let's get into the basic details. You know, the core facts that every single applicant and parent needs to know.
Okay, so Saveetha Engineering College is a self-financing institution established back in 2001, and it's affiliated with Anna University. Now, the keyword here, the one you really want to pay attention to, is autonomous. What that means is the college has the freedom to frame its own syllabus and conduct its own exams, which lets them stay right up to date with what the industry needs. Admission is through TNEA counseling, with a 65% government quota and a 35% management quota. And don't forget that TNEA code, 1216.
All right, let's see how all this hard work is seen from the outside. We're going to look at some official rankings and recognitions that kind of validate the college's standing.
So if you look at the NIRF rankings, that's the official one from the Government of India, Saveetha has consistently found its place in the 201 to 300 band for engineering. This shows a pretty stable and recognized position among all the tech institutions in the country.
Now here's a crucial checkpoint, especially for parents. Regulatory approval. And yes, Saveetha Engineering College is fully approved by the AICTE, the All India Council for Technical Education, for the upcoming 2026 admissions. So, that's a big tick in the box.
So what can you actually study here? And just as importantly, who's going to be teaching you? Let's dive into the academic programs and the faculty.
You can see they offer a really wide range of BE and BTech programs, but there's a clear, heavy focus on computer-related fields. I mean, just look at the numbers. Computer science has a huge intake of 480 seats. Right behind it, you have AI and data science and ECE, both with 300 seats. In total, we're talking about 1,590 approved seats.
And it's pretty clear the college is keeping its finger on the pulse of the tech world. They've introduced several new age specializations just in the last few years. Think AI and data science in 2020, AI and machine learning in 2021, and even a dedicated cybersecurity branch in 2022. They're clearly matching what the industry is asking for right now.
So what about the teachers? Out of 497 faculty members, a massive 267 of them have PhDs. That's more than half. It's a really strong sign of the academic depth and expertise that students have access to here.
You know, good academics are one thing, but how does the college connect all that theory to the real world of research and industry? This is where the magic really happens.
Remember those numbers we started with? Well, this is where it all ties together. The 12 crores in funded research, those 600 plus patents, 10 research centers that are recognized by Anna University, and that national DSIR-SISRO status, it all just paints a very clear picture of a place that is buzzing with research activity.
Of course, an engineering degree is about more than just classrooms and labs. It's about the whole experience, right? So let's talk about life on campus. The facilities, the community, the whole shebang.
So the campus is spread out over a sprawling 120 acres. For students coming from other towns, no problem. There are separate hostels for boys and girls with options for AC or non-AC rooms and mess facilities that serve both veg and non-veg food. For day scholars, a network of over 20 buses covers Chennai and the surrounding areas. And here's a big one for parents' peace of mind. There's a 1,200-bed multi-specialty hospital located right inside the campus.
So we come to the big question, the one everyone's thinking about. After 4 years of hard work and investment, what's the outcome? Let's get into the placements and career results for the 2025 graduating batch.
97%. For the 2025 batch, the college reported a placement rate of 97%. That is a very, very strong number. It shows a super high rate of employability for their graduates.
Let's dig into those numbers a little. The highest salary package offered was a whopping 36 lakhs per annum, and that came from Qualcomm. The average package for the entire batch was a very solid 5.36 lakhs per annum.
And it's not just the salary numbers. Look at the quality of companies that come to recruit here. We're talking about big-name players like JP Morgan Chase, Qualcomm, Uber, Amazon, and Capgemini. This shows strong industry connections and some really fantastic opportunities for the students.
And this slide just brilliantly illustrates the caliber of the students here. Look, winning the Smart India Hackathon even once is a massive achievement, but to win it for 5 years in a row, that's not a coincidence. That's a testament to a consistent culture of excellence and real-world problem-solving. Just to be clear, all the information we've presented here is based on data taken directly from the college's official website and has been cross-verified with government portals. All this data is current as of March 2026.
Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.